Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301651, and this is a 2026 Sierra 3500 Crew Cab SLT. And our color is Summit White. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features. That we've got. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors with folding and extending mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls. Steering wheel features heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. We've got our exhaust brake, lane keep assist, tailgate release, traction control, the master window button, push start ignition, trailer brake, electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats, USB charging ports, and we are also OnStar ready. Our interior color on this unit is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, USB ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. Moving on to our exterior, we've got the running boards, side box step, 18-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step, a rear view camera, fob release tailgate, a spray-on box liner, with the fifth wheel hookups. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301651. You've just checked out this 2026 Summit White Sierra 3500 Crew Cab SLT. Thanks for watching.